No matter what you do, you can't even be in a picture with somebody. You can't do anything because they're gonna link you.
Yeah, I noticed that. I noticed that. But you know, I mean, like overall,
But damn, them timings hitting though. Can we take a moment and look at it? Them timings hitting, dog. Yeah, man, that's something like when y'all artists look like they making money, bro. So your artists them feel look money. Yeah, man. Whoever managing her, you know what I'm saying? They doing something right. Romit, you did something right, my G. You know what I'm saying? You did something right, my G.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back on another hitting and smashing up. It is. Yeah, people from Fantastic, you see what I'm doing today. Yeah, before we jump in the video, guys, go ahead and hit that like button. It won't take a few seconds. Tell people way out. The goal for this video is at least 50 likes, guys. Come on, I know you guys can do it. At least 50 likes. Go ahead. It won't take a second. Go ahead, smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, man, you already know. Yeah, guys, from this video, see what we're doing today. Today we're doing Shenseea. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people sent me this video to react to. Apparently, Shenseea was on Angela Yee's from the Breakfast Club, Angela Yee's lip service. Yeah, and apparently she been talking about some crazy stuff, and people are telling me, say, yo, react to this, Shenseea, wilding, you know what I'm saying? So I checked it out and see what I'm going today, guys. So yeah, you already know what time it is. Yeah, it's your boy Jambisco. Go ahead. Once again, guys, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell. You already know. We're gonna jump right into it. This is lip service. Shenseea talks Jamaican men licking, masturbating random spots, exposing cheaters, all type of. We're gonna see what's going on today. Shenseea, let's see what's up.
What's up? It's Lip Service. I'm Angela Yee.
I'm Gigi McGuire.
I'm Stephanie Santiago.
I'm Laura Mora. Shenseea.
Shenseea. Look,
Shenseea, my girl, that one, yeah, pretty piece of beast. I'm not like. Hope she not on a low thing, you know, yo.
Shenseea is back, and let me tell you something. So much has happened from the last time that we've seen you. But I just want to put it out there. We were early Shenseea fans.
Yes, we were.
This is when it was Tiger Blessed.
Yes.
And
now
then
moving on up.
listen, but that's how it's supposed to happen. All the freestyles. I think people love when they see your freestyles.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's something that I keep exclusive though, because I don't want to do it too.
Yeah, man, Shenseea, bad on the freestyle, man. You know what I'm saying? Show that she got talented. You know what I'm saying?
Much, you know, because I enjoy that for a fact. It doesn't even feel like work to me.
Right.
So it's just something that I do for fun. So I
Yeah, pretty man.
don't want to.
Yeah, pretty man, pretty visa, yeah. She on diamond, dripping, not playing. Oh shit. You know what I'm saying? But you don't know what I'm saying. No, prettiest people do ugliest things. You know what I'm saying?
Do it too often.
So you're pretty fool me. You know what I'm saying?
Where people like,
Too much free.
Yeah.
Not too much
Yeah.
free.
You said you got in trouble last time you was on Lip Service?
yes.
Why?
Because you've been
She
talking.
blamed it on them shots we was drinking.
She was like, I'm not drinking this
I kind
time.
of think of it. I mean, I know I get in trouble, but I don't remember for what.
But listen, you stay in the news, and I don't think that's a bad thing.
No.
I'm sure
Definitely
sometimes it's annoying, you know.
No, it's not. I
Okay.
actually would be worried if I wasn't, because I was like, oh no, we're going
Right,
down.
crickets.
Exactly. No.
So that means, you know, that means you be doing stuff on purpose. You be doing stuff on purpose for views then. Okay, I see. Okay.
No, I would never want that. So I'm blessed. Thank God.
Yeah, no pun intended.
Yeah.
And the album is called Alpha. Mm-hmm. And by the way, you're in a room with a bunch of alphas as well.
Good. I'm in the right room.
Alphas. You ain't no alpha woman. You know what I'm saying? That title for her album was bullshit. But hey, you know what I'm saying? That's her. Woman can't think if you don't want to be alpha. You know, alpha woman. You know what I'm saying?
That's the whole point of Lip
It's funny when I hear women use that word. Oh, I'm alpha. I'm alpha. Yeah.
Service. So let's talk about something.
Just because you get a little money, running a little business, don't mean you know what I'm saying? It takes more than that.
First of all, congratulations on everything. You ended up on Kanye's album.
Yes.
I saw you said you recorded like a few songs though.
Yeah. Yeah. I did like about six of them. And I did like 2 days before the actual album came out. I didn't even know when the album was coming out, to be honest. But you know, I'm glad I made the cut on 2 songs too. On top of it, I think Kanye was really supportive because he knew that I could sing and also DJ/rap. So that's why he made me feature on both. So extremely grateful.
Show your versatility.
Exactly.
Were you surprised when you got the call like Kanye wants you to come record?
I was surprised because I didn't know if it was real or not. You know, and because I was in the midst of doing some recordings, and then I got the call. I was like, are you sure? Like me? Who did he call? Who called you? You see me? I was sitting people on my team like, who did he come from? But then when I met him, it was like the real deal. Yeah.
Nice.
Now, are there...
Yeah, man, and she, you know what I'm saying? She's very well spoken, you know what I'm saying? You know, she's, you know, speak, everybody understand what she's saying. Yeah, Shenseea is marketable, and people going vex. She got that star power, man. She marketable. It just is what it is.
So I know your DMs are crazy because the guys love Shenseea.
Do they?
Also, and the ladies do too, by the way. No, but that's dope when you can be a person that like women are like, yo, she's dope. I want to, you know, I like to see her. She represents for me.
Yeah.
And the guys are like, I like her.
Yeah.
I want her.
So what is like, have you ever fanned out over anybody like, man, I can't believe this person hit me up?
No, never.
There's nobody that you're like, when you were younger, like, damn, I look up to this person.
Yeah, definitely a few, but not to go like crazy over. You know, I feel like the only person I said to myself I would go like fanatic over is like Rihanna, and then I met her and I managed to keep it cool too. So I was like, now we got nobody. But for respect wise, is I'm always respectful, but it's never nothing because I understand, as you know, just also as an artist, that I'm human, he's human, she's human. So I look at everybody the same.
And when it comes to dating for you now, right? It's like
Hey, can't be mad at that. Can't really be mad at that.
no matter what you do, you can't even be in a picture with somebody. You can't do anything because they're gonna link you.
Yeah, I noticed that. I noticed that. But you know, I mean, like overall,
Damn, them timings hitting though. Can we take a moment and look at it? Them timings hitting, dog. Yeah, man, that's what I'm like when y'all artists look like they making money, bro. So your artists them for y'all look money. Yeah, man. Whoever managing her, you know what I'm saying? They doing something right. Ramit, you did something right, my G. You know what I'm saying? You did something right, my G.
I know myself and I know what is true from what's not true. So I don't really let it bother me too much. But in the same time, I try to not put myself in positions where people will actually call my name with, you know? It's like I'm more mindful of that now. And one time I was sitting at this interview and
Yeah, man. Shenseea, Marco, hey. Who gonna be the male version, bro? I ain't gonna lie to you. Shenseea, y'all gonna be mad. It's kind of what dancehall did, bro. It's a long time dancehall ain't have a woman artist that with this quality of a star power, bro, that has this potential. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, Spice out there and them thing about Shenseea, dog. I'm telling you, bro. She got that potential. She got that marketable. You know, women want to be like her. You know what I'm saying? And niggas want to deal with her, you know? So it's like, yo, yeah, Spice, yeah, the woman you marry her, but not a lot of niggas gonna be like, yeah, not a lot of women want to, you know what I'm saying? But Shenseea, right, pretty, she calm, collected on them thing there. She got that star power, man. Yeah, you can't make dolly and thing them after. You ain't gonna make no, I'm just saying. Don't be mad at the messenger, you know what I'm saying? You be mad at the messenger.
and another artist came and sit beside me and they were like,
But who gonna be the guy version? You know? Is it gonna be Skeng? You know what I'm saying? Cause yo, no matter how skill our body user gotta have that star, that marketable, you know what I'm saying, where you can put your face on brands and merchandise. And that's, you know what I'm saying? People wanna be and live like you. Who's that? You know what I'm saying? Is it Skilly? Is it Skeng? Is it Squash? You know what I'm saying? Who's gonna be the guy version of dancehall? I ain't gonna lie, Shenseea doing it right now.
no, just let me move. I was like, what you mean? I don't want to sit beside you either. But when I sat down and pictures were flashing, I was like,
That's why.
you know what? Thank you.
Because it's like
Thank
it's
you.
almost like society doesn't see like platonic situations or just a general you sit down next to me situation. It's like as soon as you see a man with a woman, like automatically, they're having sex. And
it's
just
true.
like,
I could take a picture with somebody after doing an interview, and they'll be like, "Oh, she want to fuck," and I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm working. Like I didn't.
But that's what I don't like,
doing
that
my
people
job.
try to throw that on women too.
Yeah, all the time.
Because they might not put men in the same box, like, oh yeah, he just want to hit that. But for women, it's like, oh, she
want to give him something.
Yeah, exactly. You feel me? Like, why?
Like it's always a good look for the guy.
Yeah, exactly. But then when a girl is just like normal, it's just completely different. But
How about we're just working together, or we're
that's
just
what I be
friends,
doing.
or we're just
I be trying to put that out and make
There's
that
a
clear.
mutual-
Like we are
Right.
in the studio.
Yeah.
Here's
I
the
feel
board in front
I
of
feel
us.
like every time we interview a rapper, there's somebody like in the corner like, "That's my boy. You better see. I know he shot his shot. I know my boy got in there." I'm like,
Yeah.
Like now we're all in the
like,
studio.
bro, we're in the studio.
That's why it's important to just know yourself, you know, and be confident.
absolutely.
Because
What
people
kinda-
just talk regardless.
What kind of guys, if you had to say, okay, this is the kind of guy that I like, what would you say are some qualities?
Gotta be humble, because I've met a couple guys since we last met. And let me tell you, they were flaunting real bad, boy. I was like, yo, why you telling me your house cost this for? I didn't even ask you that. You know, it's a pretty much corny.
Right.
So of course,
corny.
knowing me that I work so hard and I make my own money, that for sure gotta be number one. You gotta be humble. Like, I know that you got it, but you ain't gotta show me that you got it, like, to flaunt.
Guys will call women gold diggers, but then they'll at the same time be trying to tell you everything they have.
But I feel like that's how they will call girls gold diggers, because I feel like certain girls show them that side. It's like they feel every girl is the same. You feel me? And I'm not one of those persons. So
How does a guy get your attention?
Yeah, man. That things them your blows on screen. She gonna probably lie though, you know. Women would never say what they really mean. They always talk about the same shit, not the real shit, you know.
first of all, you gotta catch me in
And you know, they'll go run up and box in your face, thumping it out there.
person.
No DMs.
Ain't no
No.
DMs popping off.
I would not take you seriously on the ground.
What if he's verified?
That even makes it worse. No, I mean, if you verified and you trying to get at me, I would be thinking you trying to light me up with an opportunity, a deal, music,
Right.
acting, something. You feel me? My page is I don't take anything serious when it comes on to my DMs or my comment section.
Okay, so
You
me
gotta
too.
catch me in person.
All right, so let's just say a guy shows up and he knows you about to perform. You're going on tour. He shows up to the show, and then what?
I won't pick him out. It's a lot. I mean, I feel like people will just come and be like, yo, they love Shenseea. I feel like everybody in that crowd would just love Shenseea. So I wouldn't even know, like, how much do you love me? You feel me? And I never go to my show and look at somebody and be like, oh,
But he's trying to get to you. That's what I'm saying. Like, how does a guy even be able to say, let's
you gotta
go out?
catch me on one-on-one. So say, for instance, if I have a press conference or if we are here right now,
Right.
and a guy shows up here where...
It sound creepy.
No, I'm not saying that. I mean, if you really want it, it's gonna seem creepy, because at the end of the day, you have to catch me on that timing. If you catch me while I'm performing, I'm strictly in the mindset of I'm working. I don't look at anybody when I'm working. So if we go to an event where, you know, it's a lot of us in the room, or like you can get close to me, that's not too busy, then you can get my attention that way too.
Okay, these are just some tips. We're just trying to
Couple
put it
of
out there.
tips.
So you are
But you gotta get past my managers though.
Right, that's what I was gonna say.
Gotta
I mean,
get
how
past the
hard? I
team.
mean, that's you're saying it like, yeah, you just gotta.
Yeah.
How easy?
you'll
gotta
find
get
a
past
way.
them. Or you
Yeah, security or managers, what? Talking about, so you never gonna catch her.
gotta know my managers.
And that lets you
That's
know
a good
how much they
way. You
want
gotta
you.
go through the people to go through the people.
Yeah.
It's not what you do,
It
it's who
shows
you know.
effort.
Yeah, you gotta know them.
All right. So listen, by the way, Lick, let's talk about that for a second. Because first of all, I love that you did that song, because we're all in favor of that.
I bet.
But I was like, the reason why I love that you do it, because there's always been this taboo, you know what I'm saying, in Jamaica. And I know that shit is a lie, because I've definitely, well, I'm not going to say what I've had. But
Angela Lee, I lie, you're nasty girl for a long time. I tell you that, you're a nasty girl, Angela Lee. Stop trying to promote that little idiot fake man where you deal with, or probably bring there or whatever. But I can't come with it. I'm telling you.
just saying. But did you get any, like, were people mad about it? Like,
Of course. I mean,
bow
the whole
down.
internet was in a frenzy about it. Mixed feelings, to be honest, because you know, some people would say they don't do it, but in reality,
They lying.
Yeah, come on now. Come on.
The first person who ever ate my pussy was Jamaican.
And then on top of it, if you don't do it, we don't want
Why for that? That's a lie.
you. So
yeah,
right.
But they want.
And we don't care if y'all don't want. That's the thing, you know. Y'all niggas lack confidence. Y'all be letting these women manipulating y'all to do shit like that. Like if she don't want you, bro, because you don't know, let her go, bro. Make her respect you. You know what I'm saying? What you gonna let respect yourself to respect her wishes? You tripping? Yeah, wow.
Want you to do it,
right?
Beat of that, and you know what time it is. Well, I'm good. Well, you know what time it is. So if you want to trip, you can go. I'm tuning.
To them, they want you to.
It's a.
When we go fake you, I want to water them Jamaicans' name. I'm telling that from right now. While I want to talk about rare. Oh no. For dead, big man thing.
Deal breaker for most men.
So
It's a
deal breaker
Uno allow woman can talk shit like this. Uno for dead.
for me.
Right. That's what I always
I know
say.
sticky.
If you don't do that, I do not want you.
So have you ever been with somebody and they said they wouldn't do it?
Yeah, and I left him. I said what I meant it. I don't see a future with somebody who don't eat me. I don't, because for me it's like if I get in a relationship, I think ahead. I think about the future, because I'm not one of those girls that I run around. So if I'm gonna be with you, I'm looking to build with you. So if that's not in the cut, then my sex life is gonna be hella boring, and I'm not into it.
Oh, let's talk about your side chick.
See, that's the thing. Because I've been manipulated, brainwashed, we not do so much looting for so long, we can't think about the thought of doing things the right way and how things are supposed to be done. Look crazy too, no. So my youth, don't let me say, yo, a wise man always look crazy to a dumb person. So don't follow them. Don't make them manipulate and try make you feel a way, brother. When you stick to the morals, dog, then you'll have to respect on the road. I'm telling my youth, I want to get, I want to loonies make them yell can talk them shit about you. You see me? And then they laugh about it and use for this disrespect, you see me? You have to hold on the meds, man.
Song.
Ooh.
So my friend Paris, that is, by the way, like that's one of her favorite songs. Every time I talk to her, she playing the song. But anyway, so what inspired that song?
It was definitely a true story.
Okay.
Wow.
So break it down for us. You don't got to name no names.
But if you hear what I said in the song, like I get treated like a wife. I get money, I get loving, no type of disrespect, none of that. But it's just on the downside, he has somebody else.
Wow.
You feel me? And it came to happen because I'm not that type of girl that was my very first situation where I'm actually in a relationship with somebody else's man. And that came about when I was at a party and I was drinking. And then we hooked up, like, because I knew that person for a long time. And he was trying to get at me, but I wasn't interested for 3 years.
Did you know he had a girl?
After, in the mix.
After, okay.
Yeah, after. Before he was trying to get at me, he didn't have anybody. But to show you that it was not, I looked at him as a friend.
Right.
It was not even like
That's
that, because even when you didn't have a girlfriend, I still did not, take you seriously. So I was single at the time, and then I was drinking. We went on a party. He used to always come over because we play games and stuff, and then we just boom.
Play games.
You'll play some games, all right.
Yeah, and then and the weirdest thing is, after that I just said never say never, because I always before that I remember I tweeted like, I don't know how people can fall into situations and say they blame it on the alcohol.
Right. And then it
Until
happened.
it happened to you, and then you like, okay.
You know what? I'ma just shut up. From now on, anything is possible, because that's exactly what happened to me.
So how did you end it?
I just told him that, like, after a couple months, I was like, matter of fact, three or 4 months, actually. We still friends now and still, but I told him like it bothers me, my personality. I'm not this type of girl. Like, I can't be no shadows. I don't want to watch you when somebody else is weird to me.
Right. So let me ask you this. In a situation like that, right? Let's just say his girl found out and called you. Would you have his back? And like, what would you do?
I'll tell her everything.
You would?
Because I write for girls.
I know, but listen.
And first of all, I don't want no girl calling me over no nigga. That's one.
I've done it.
You told?
I don't want nobody calling me.
See, that's some bitch shit. Now, you see, right for girls. Say all them women are wicked, bro. That's why you have to do them. You want to do them. You see, I can't watch them feelings from it. Don't do what I want. Because them girls are wicked, brother.
But 2, I would not lie to her.
See,
because I would
didn't
definitely want the truth.
And you know why I didn't lie? I didn't lie because he lied to me.
That's what I was gonna
Right.
say. Now,
Yeah,
I think if you lie, I think if you know the situation
Exactly.
and you know you're the side chick,
Right.
then you kind of gotta be like, you need to ask him. But I think
no.
that if he lies to you, you should tell it all.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I'm riding for females all the way.
I
Well,
feel like for
I
me,
back
it's a case by
females.
case
See, that's some dirty ass shit.
situation. Like depending on how she approaches me, like if she's like, "Bitch, are you
Shenseea drunk. Shenseea drunk that quiet.
fucking?" I'm be like, "Yes."
Me and this girl knew each other.
Now, first of all, if
and
somebody-
that's why he lied. I think the reason why he lied to me is because he knew that I knew her.
Oh, yeah,
and
well,
he knew
that's
that I
different.
wasn't going to
Right.
be cool with that.
that's
So he
the-
lied about it. And then when the
dumbest
shit
shit ever, if
when the
you
shit
know
hit the
his girl.
fan, and me and her had a conversation, I told her everything.
Yeah, I feel like you gotta. And if somebody even approach me like that, first of all, you ain't hearing shit from me because I'm hanging up the phone.
But
Right. Right.
I wouldn't even I would if I know the situation going into it, you know, I don't want to hurt no women's because no matter what, yeah, you could tell her, but at the end of the day, I'm hurting her feelings. So I would not tell.
That's how I
First of all, I
feel.
wouldn't lie to
You see a woman think? Woman think, fuck up, no logic.
her. I'll just say, nah, we
Like
good.
if she
Like we're
sounds really
friends.
broken, like this is
Yeah.
this.
No, I'm telling you,
because no, I'll be like,
I'ma
no,
tell her, talk to your
everything
guy.
is
No.
fine. He loves you.
no,
Please,
I'm not doing that because I'm be like,
Just
girl,
stay with him.
if you acting like this over a nigga, you need to go. You need to leave because this
to figure
is
that out.
not good for you, baby.
Listen, if you calling me, then that ain't really your man. Like, check your man. I'm
Yeah.
all for it. Don't call. I would never call the next woman. I'm gonna check him at the end of the day. But I would just tell him like, if I know of the now, if he lied to me. Actually, yes. But if I know the situation, I would not. But
And I
I
was
will
with it?
have a conversation with him. All right. Now, if she's calling me, that means you moving in a way, you out here playing the field and you don't even know how to play the field. So you need to figure this out. Or I'm out. Like, I probably would be out after that because if you don't have enough
sound like you've done
respect
this
for
before,
her-
Laura.
I have. So if you don't have, I did. And that's why I was just like, yo, you're mad messy. If she's finding out, that means you're not treating her how she needs to be treated where she's even wondering, you moving sloppy. So that means I can't really deal with you. So we good. We could be friends. We out. But I'm going to save this heartbreak for her and I'm not going to say anything. But you need to just retire the game.
no, because I feel like if she's already going through that, she needs to be freed.
But she going to be right back
She
with
gonna
him.
stay with him.
Then let her decide that after. But you can't say you didn't enlighten another
And
woman.
she's always gonna,
You feel me?
And she's
Like,
always
if
still
you-
gonna blame you.
If you reach to the point where you call me, I'm gonna help you out, girl. Because
I
first of all, I didn't know how you get my
that did
number.
happen to me. I did have my ex-boyfriend. He got back
she
together
got
with
drunk,
his
bro.
ex-girlfriend. Like when I first met him, they had broken up, right? And then they ended up getting back together. She called me, and by the way, it was like my second day on a new job. I ended up in the hallway talking to this girl for like 2 hours. And when I tell you, I was telling her everything. Period.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna end this right here, bro. I can't listen for all this at once, bro. Woman, oh my god, I can't do it. So I'm gonna break this up in part 2. I'm gonna do the other half later. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, hit the like button. Share the video. You already know. Show us some support. This is crazy. She Lou. She post all that stuff, bro. Nah. I'm check it out. See y'all in the next video. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here with another hit and smashing out banger. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.